Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This is where Limits and Reports live. Once done, turn on Screen Time if it's off. That activates data collection and parental controls. Make sure to set it for yourself or for a child's device using family sharing. That distinction changes which options appear. You'll also choose whether to use a Screen Time passcode now, so make a note of it, because this prevents accidental changes later. Now you configure limits. Tap App Limits and add limit to pick app categories or individual apps, because narrowing targets yields better habits. Once selected, set a daily time, use digits like 30 for minutes or 1 for hours. That's enforced automatically. Make sure to customize days if you need different allowances for weekdays versus weekends. It's useful for homework days. After saving, the phone will notify when time's close and block apps when the limit is reached. Finish by enabling downtime to schedule device-wide pauses. Set start and end times to reduce use overnight, because consistent windows build routine. Then pick always allowed apps like phone or messages so critical functions remain accessible. Finally, set a Screen Time passcode to lock settings. Once created, test the limits by opening a restricted app to confirm blocking works. If something fails, reset the passcode or restart the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.